there because you're gonna come back. What?
So I'm the only one who doesn't have to come over because I'm already over.
Yeah. Okay, Dan.
All right, tell me what's the name of your club?
Nature Club.
Nature Club.
Nature Club.
Nature Club.
We're using these sticks so if Casey jumps over, then he'll get poked.
This is to keep the dog out. Yeah.
Is that movie?
Mhm.
Oh.
Remember when I taped you at the swimming pool?
Mhm.
Yeah.
This nature club is part of the whole nature.
Okay. And how does that work?
Guess who built that? Guess who built that? Guess who built this one?
Who?
Their mom. Huh?
Yeah. Whoa, there's a duck over there.
Look at the bottom. Because now we can sit down without getting our butts wet.
Nice.
This is my secret agent card.
Let me take a look. Now, what does it say?
Secret agent. My phone number is. I hope that you know my number.
Nice.
Okay.
That's so funny. What? I hope that you know my number.
All right, what are you going to say? Thank you, Sean.
It's not very funny. My friend has the same thing.
It's a good. You know, Sean, girls just giggle. That's just what they do.
Tackle him!
Get back in the Nature Club or I'll poke you with this wire.
How many members are in the Nature Club?
We have 5.
5 members?
And we allow 1 visitor each meeting. Sean,
Nice.
and you're the visitor.
All right.